In today's video, we are embarking on a profound exploration into the inner workings of our minds, delving into the intricate relationship between consciousness and subconscious minds. Our quest revolves around a captivating question: how can we embrace the subconscious and make intuitive decisions? Get ready for an enlightening journey as we uncover the secrets that lies beneath the surface. Our conscious mind is like the captain of the ship, steering through the seas of life, making deliberate choices based on logic and analysis. But beneath the surface lies a vast, mysterious ocean, the realm of our subconscious mind. This subconscious ocean, much like the deep sea, houses treasures of wisdom and intuition that can guide us through life's most significant decisions. Imagine standing at a crossroads, faced with a life-altering choice. Perhaps a career move, a relationship decision, or a pivotal life direction. The conscious mind might deliberate, weighing pros and cons, yet still uncertainty lingers. It can jump from fear to self-doubt to negativity to confusion. And if we make decisions based on our conscious mind, more often than not, it will not be aligned to what we really want. This is where the subconscious, our inner sage, comes into play. It has been silently processing information, drawing upon a vast database of experiences, emotions, and values, long before our conscious minds even began the analysis. Our subconscious mind is like having an intuitive advisor, always by our side, ready to offer profound insights. From my personal experience, my biggest regrets in life is when I didn't listen to that inner voice of knowing and I ignored my subconscious intuition. So how do we tap into our intuition? Meditation. Meditation, the ancient practice of cultivating inner stillness and mindfulness, serves as a powerful key to unlock the treasures hidden within our subconscious mind. By calming the incessant chatter of our conscious thoughts and embracing silence, meditation provides the perfect environment for our subconscious to rise to the surface. As we close our eyes, focus on our breath, and enter a state of profound relaxation, we create a mental space where the subconscious can reveal its wisdom. In this meditative state, the subconscious mind's stored memories, emotions, and beliefs come to the forefront, often in the form of intuitive insights or vivid imagery. These revelations can provide clarity on unresolved issues, it can guide us into better decision making, and even help us confront and heal past traumas that might have been holding us back. Moreover, meditation empowers us to establish a deeper connection with our subconscious mind over time. Regular meditation practices allow us to become more attuned to our inner selves, enhancing our ability to recognize and trust our intuition. This heightened awareness becomes a valuable asset in our daily lives as we learn to rely on our inner wisdom to navigate challenges, make important decisions, and cultivate a more profound sense of self-understanding. In essence, meditation serves as a bridge between the conscious and the subconscious minds, facilitating a dynamic dialogue that can lead to personal growth, self-discovery, and a more harmonious life journey. Visualization is another powerful tool for delving into the depths of our subconscious mind and unlocking its incredible potential. When we engage in visualization, we harness the power of our imagination to create vivid mental images of our desires, goals, and aspirations. These mental pictures act as a direct line of communication with our subconscious, which operates primarily through images, symbols, and emotions. By consistently visualizing our deepest desires, we not only clarify our intentions, but also send a clear message to our subconscious about what we want to manifest in our lives. This process allows us to align our conscious goals with the underlying beliefs and desires stored within the subconscious, facilitating a harmonious synergy between the two. Also, visualization serves as a bridge between our conscious and subconscious mind, facilitating a dynamic exchange of information. As we immerse ourselves in our mental imagery, we access the emotional and sensory experiences associated with our desires. These emotions are powerful drivers of change and manifestation. When we feel the emotions that's connected to our desires during visualization, our subconscious mind interprets this as a signal that these desires are real and attainable, prompting it to work behind the scenes to bring them into reality. In essence, visualization empowers us to tap into the vast reservoir of our potential within our subconscious, transforming our dreams into concrete realities through the focused and intentional power of our imagination. The enigmatic gut feeling or intuition that frequently steers us into decision-making processes is a remarkable testament to the influence of our subconscious mind. It's the culmination of a lifetime of experiences, values, and desires distilled into an instinctual response that often defies logical explanation. When we heed that intuitive nudge, we're essentially tapping into the profound reservoir of knowledge and wisdom that resides within our subconscious. It's like consulting an internal compass that knows the path to our authentic selves and leads us towards choices that resonate with our deepest aspirations and values. This intuitive guidance has the remarkable ability to steer us on a course that feels more meaningful, fulfilling, and harmonious, creating a life journey that is authentically our own. Our gut feeling is a subtle yet powerful manifestation of our subconscious mind's influence on our conscious decisions. It acts as a compass that points us into the right direction of our true selves and the life that we're meant to lead. By recognizing and valuing this intuitive guidance, we can harness the full potential of our subconscious wisdom, making choices that align with our innermost desires and ultimately leading us to a more enriched and powerful existence. The beauty of embracing our subconscious is in decision making lies in its ability to lead us to choices that resonate with our deepest aspirations. Sometimes we might not consciously understand why a particular option feels right, but our subconscious knows. It knows what aligns with our values, what serves our purpose, and what contributes to our growth and fulfillment. By bridging the subconscious and the conscious realms, we empower ourselves to make decisions that honor our authentic selves. In the grand tapestry of life, the decisions we make are the threads that weave our unique story. By acknowledging and embracing the role of our subconscious in this process, we elevate our decision making to an art form, a dance between intuition and analysis, between conscious choice and innate wisdom. It's a harmonious collaboration between the captain and the navigator, steering us through a more authentic, purpose-driven and fulfilling life. And so we conclude this deep exploration into embracing our subconscious when it comes to decision making. If you've ever experienced the power of your intuition or if this journey resonates with your own decision-making experiences, I invite you to share your thoughts and stories in the comments below. And if you found this video to be a profound exploration, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content on personal development and the boundless depths of our subconscious mind. As you continue your journey through life's crossroads, remember that your subconscious mind is not just a silent observer. It's a trusted guide that can help you navigate the intricate labyrinth of choices that lie ahead. As you do the practices to attune yourself to your inner wisdom, you will find all the answers that you're searching for. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, may your decisions be illuminated by the profound synergy of your conscious and subconscious wisdom. Until next time, may your path be one of clarity, purpose, and fulfillment. See you in the next video.